G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to KFC. They got a brand new secret menu item. So I'm gonna whip in, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go! Alright, well the first thing we gotta do is order this. So you gotta go to menu and then you gotta swipe down. See that little curly thing there? And then you sit and wait. And then you wait. And then you sort of hope that the deal's still on because it takes so long before anything happens. And, oh, here we go. Ooh, 6 for $6.95. That sounds all right. And then we just got to wait for this countdown, do a thing. Oh, and then your screen goes off. Hit unlock. And then you got to wait again. And, oh, here it comes. The original Crispy Chipster Burger. $8.95. So let's hit that, give it an order, and we'll whip on in and grab one. All right, here we go. The new secret menu item, the original Crispy Chipster Burger. It's got a bit of weight about it. I've got the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh. Oh, all right. We're looking at about the 300 odd gram mark for this. Well, that's not bad. It's not too good, but it's not too bad either. Anyway, let's suss it out, see what it looks like. Yes, I can't wait. Oh, look at that bit of bun poking out the top. And it's double wrapped too. Oh, look, there's chips. That's probably why they call it a chipster burger. Wow! Now, the original Crispy Chipster Burger should have an original crispy bit of chicken, a piece of cheese, lettuce, pepper mayo, and some chips on a bun. All right, well, it's sort of a cheeseburger size, this burger here. And well, under here, oh, it's a bit sticky. Oh, it's ripping the bun off. I think the cheese might be under there and it's ripped the bun. Well, there's the pepper mayo, and under the pepper mayo, there's the cheese. There's your chicken. Then it's got chips, some lettuce, and looks like some more pepper mayo there. Oh, yeah? It's looking all right. So just to let you know, an original crispy burger on its own is $7.95. So you're paying an extra $1 for 10 cents worth of chips. Although I do have some here, so that's kind of cool. It saved me from buying chips, which probably saved me $5. So in reality, I've saved $4. That's going by my illogical logic. So some of these chips have fallen off in the packet. Slightly artificial tasting, but seasoned well enough. All right, well, let's go. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Ah. Oh, yeah, mate. That double dose of carbs never goes down a treat. There's something about chips on a burger which I always find difficult to swallow. But these chips seem to blend in quite well, and, well, I didn't really notice them overpowering the taste of this burger. It tasted all right. In fact, that peppery mayo does have a little bit of spice about it, to the point where I thought I might have got a zinger. But I'm pretty sure this is original. That's original? Did they change their recipe? Let me try some more of this original. Tastes like it didn't have any flavour. All right. Well, if you say so. But I'll keep going. Whoa. Oh my. I'm not too sure about these chips on a burger. Lucky it's got pepper mayo on the top and on the bottom, because without that extra moistness, mate, this would be really hard to swallow.
That's what she said.
You definitely need a bottle of water or a can of soft drink or something to wash this thing down, because even with that extra moisture there, it can be pretty dry. Still tastes alright though. So I wonder what score I'm going to give it. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, $8.95. Well, a couple of years ago, you would have got this with chips and a drink for that. But nowadays, in the crisis that the government's created, well, that's not too bad. Flavour-wise, well, the flavour of this is not too bad, actually. I quite enjoyed the chips on there. It was kind of a little bit dry, but, oh, well, you know, that's what drinks are for, aren't they? The chicken, well, the chicken didn't really taste like KFC, but in a way it sort of did. That pepper mayo's got a nice spice about it, and altogether, yeah, it's a bit dry, and, well, the flavours are there, though. Don't know where they're coming out from, but they're there, and it actually does taste pretty good. I think you will want to keep a bottle of water or a drink handy, because trying to swallow this after chewing it can get a little bit difficult. But altogether, it's quite enjoyable, and it is one that I would get again. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the original Crispy Chipster Burger, I think this deserves a... I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. It's actually pretty tasty, and it's got everything you want on it. Some original chicken and some chips. It has got a little bit of spice about it with that pepper mayo, but that's fine. It can be a bit dry, but altogether it's a pretty tasty burger, and well, that piece of chicken fillet is nice and big and thick and tasty as well. So all around it's a pretty good burger, and I reckon if you get one, you're gonna like it. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at KFC. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are